it was the first house I owned, so there's always going to be a part of me that remembers that fondly. It was a great home for several years, and now it's working out pretty well as an investment property. But if you've ever worked in real estate investments, you know that there's not a lot of room, and so the right mortgage is key. And I was at a point where one of my mortgage holders had been bought and sold like banks do, and they were going to redo my loan and charge me a whole bunch of money. There was going to be, the interest rate was going to go way up, and the numbers were going to get a lot thinner than they already were. So then I had to start looking for other options. I expected I would find somebody that was going to be able to refinance my house, and that was not the case. I called the bank that had my loan, the bank that had my primary residence loan. I called several other mortgage companies that I'd seen on TV, heard on the radio, said that they were really good and could refinance anybody, and then they told me, sorry, we can't work with you. It just, the numbers don't work. I knew it was going to be pretty close, but I've had a mortgage for 10 years. I've never been late on a payment. I have really good credit. I mean, I'm an ideal loan customer, so part of me was very surprised that somebody wouldn't say, like, you're going to pay your loan, and we know you're going to pay your loan, so we're going to make this work for you. And nobody was willing to go and try new ways to get that loan to work. I had fear as to what I was going to do when, because there was a date when the loan was going to stop working, and my payment was going to go up pretty significantly. And like I say, I have a family, I have a young child, so money is tight anyway. And then on the rental property, that's just a razor-thin margin. So I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do, and was running to really anywhere I could find to find a solution. So the first time I met with Jim, it was on the phone, because he wanted to get this rolling as soon as possible. So let's not worry about scheduling something in person. Let's just get to work on this. And it was straight to business. And it was, let me just get the information. I can make this work. I have no question I'm going to be able to make this work. So it was really refreshing to find somebody that didn't immediately say, like, oh, there might be some problems. He was, from the get-go, we're going to make this work, and it's going to be really painless for you. And that turned out to be true. From that first day when I talked to him till when I was signing my loan papers was maybe 2 weeks. I mean, it moved fast, and there were no hassles, no problems. Never did anybody say, I don't think we're going to be able to get this done. Yeah, basically when I got the loan done, my loan payment was about $300 lower than I was having to prepare for. Everything has worked out fantastically. I couldn't be happier.